Good afternoon. We're here at Madira Bickel Mound State Archeological Site. It's part of this Florida State Park system, part of our Florida State Park series. Go check it out and let's go make some memories. Alright, let me get a picture of the sign here. Opens at 8, closes at sundown. Alright, so there's a little trail that you walk on back to where the mound is at. There's a picnic table over here to the left. So far, that's the only picnic table I see. Alright, let's see what the storyboard over here says. Madira Bickel Mound State Archeological Site. Native American life 1,000 years ago. It's talking about this area. They found pottery, which is interesting. Wood, fiber, shell, and bone. And you can pause the rest if you want to read it. Just talks about the area. They didn't find any Spanish artifacts here though when they were digging, so did the Spanish explorers make it this far? We don't know. I like the tree cover here. Alright, we're walking up the mound here. These old Native American mounds, some were burial sites, some they used to actually use to put debris in, mementos in, wide variety of things. But this is basically it. This is the site. There's not much here. Sorry to chuckle, but it's not like you even have a view of the water at this point. Everything's overgrown. They just let nature take its course, and the trees have definitely taken its course. It even talks about how it's tropical vegetation. Most trees on this mound are far north of the usual range. The elevation of the mound and its proximity to the water moderates temperatures, protecting the plants from the cold. The limestone base upon which these species grow best is in this mound. So this is basically it. There's not a whole lot here other than some history and some trees. I was looking on the website because there's not much at this park. It says Carl and Madira Bickel donated the mound surrounding the property to the state in 1948. The flat-top ceremonial mound is composed of sand, shell, and village debris. Measures 100 by 170 feet at the base and 20 feet in height, which is kind of like a mountain for Florida. Archaeological excavations have disclosed at least 3 periods of a Native American culture, the earliest dating back 2,000 years. So this has been here for a while, hence the historical thing. It says picnic tables are available for use. I only saw one table, unless I missed one somewhere. It says a nature trail and a kiosk with historical information, no other amenities, so there's no restrooms, anything else. And there's mosquitoes all over the place when you come, and we're here in December in the winter time. When you come here, bug spray is a necessity because we're getting eaten alive when it's December. So this is going to wrap up our visit here to the Madira Bickel Mound State Archeological Site. Not easy to say. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more state park content. We're going to hit all 175 at some point, so keep watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.